Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how to create a mobile application, that is Android application, without a single piece of code. You just need an internet connection and you need to visit this website called Appyet.com. So you can sign up here with your email. So I have already signed up. So after signing up for email, you have to confirm the email. So after signing it up, you will enter the home page, that is my apps page. So you can see all my apps that I built using this. So you won't be able to see anything because you have a new account once you signed up. So you can click on create app. So this is your app name. So I will say Mr. No app. The package name can be almost anything, if it will automatically fill you this information. So this is used to uniquely identify your application in the entire Google Play Store. So template, you can leave it as blank because as of now you don't have any template. If you already build other apps, then you can use one of those templates. So for the time being, I'm going to keep a blank template. Navigation mode is a home tab launcher. So let me say create app. Yep. So I already created the first step of creating an app. So the content rating, I can keep it as for everyone. The version name is 1 and you can change the icon if you wish. Can change it into any other icon that you have. You can just upload it. And this is the notification icon. If you want, you can change that too. Header image is the banner which is present within the app. So you have to upload a 512 pixels into 288 pixels image. So let me upload this. After doing all those things, you just have to say save changes. Right now you can go to modules. In the modules you have home tab, you have various feeds. So that is your basic version. You have settings, you can change the theme, all those things from here. And if you want to add anything new, you can add it from here. You can add a WordPress connection, you can add YouTube, you can add Twitter, all those things you can add it from here. And this is your home page. So this is the icon that you see here. Now okay, to add RSS feed, you can come here and say feed RSS, and you can give any name. Say let's for example say news. So this will be the menu order of that. So for this you need a RSS feed. So let me take an RSS feed. So you should ideally be having permission to use those RSS feed. If it is your website, you will have. So this is one of the site. If you say feed, I'm going to put RSS feed URL. You can also use feed burner URL. And I'm going to say save. So it has already created that particular category called news, and it's going to take it from there. And if I want to delete any of these modules, say for example I have to delete home, I can go there and delete it actually. So this is a default module, so you won't be able to delete it. But for the other modules like feed, you can go there and delete it. Right? You have this delete option. Now in this way you can add many other things. So you can add WordPress, you can add YouTube, you can have Twitter, and so many things. So you can have a localized image, localized audio, localized video. All those things can be done. And this is the settings. Most of the things that you need is automatically checked in there. But if you want to change anything there, you can go ahead and change it. So in the themes, you will find two themes there. One is dark theme, one is light theme. If you enable both of this, then users will have the option to choose either one of this. Then Firebase is for analytics. So if you have Firebase, then you can use it for tracking the application. So Monetization part, if you have Google AdMobs account, which comes with every Google account, it has to just go to Google AdSense and from there AdMob. So from the AdMob you can create an ad unit, and you can create an interstitial ad and a banner ad. So that way that will show up in your application, and the interstitial ad frequency you can set as 1 minute. So this is for pro, you don't need to go there. You can just go to build and say submit to build, and that's it. You have already created the first application. Now after a few minutes you will get a link to download from here. So after downloading that APK, you can upload it in your mobile or and install it. Then after installing, I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is after installing in my phone. You can see the Mr. No app. So when I open it, I see various tabs here. From here, if I want, I can switch layout. Any of the layout I can choose. And if I go inside, I can see in the details. So similarly, you can add any categories you want. And if I like one of these, it will come in the liked options. So the latest updates will come here, 100 options will come here. So similarly, you can add Twitter, YouTube or any other things, and that will be added to this module.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.